Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do this look that you see right here. It is very simple but classic and glam. So this is my favorite look to do around this time of the year, you know, for obvious reasons. So this is the full glam face with the bold lashes, red lip. And I always do at least one look like this. So I'm very happy with how it came out this year. It looks super beautiful. You can't really go wrong with this look. So if you want to see how I got this holiday makeup look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to prep and prime my lids, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. It's in the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm going to put a little bit of that. Okay, so this is my lids all primed. I think I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Morphe 15D palette. It looks like so. I'm going into Define and Editor. I'm going to mix these two shades together and I'm going to apply that to my crease. And then I'm going to add Epic, which is this brown shade here in the bottom. I'm going to put that in my outer lid and also blend that into the crease. For my lids, I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. It looks like so. And then I think I'm going to be using Spiced Caramel. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that to put all over the lid. It is a very pretty shade. I'm going to get a little bit of that. Maybe mix it with butterscotch. I'm just going to add that all over the lid. So now I'm going to move on to my face. For primer, I'm going to be using my Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer. It looks like so. I'm going to massage that all over the skin. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm going to put a few pumps in the back of my hand. And just put it all over the face. And I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape again to highlight my face. The Tarte Shape Tape is also my current go-to. Especially the shade, it highlights my face very well. I'm going into my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. And I'm going to use that powder to set my T-zone. And now I'm going to be using my darker Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder to set the rest of my face. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild pencil to darken my waterline. Okay, so I'm going to contour with my Pure Cosmetics highlight and contour palettes. I haven't used this in a while, so I think I'm going to use this to contour. I'm going to use the lighter shade up here. Yeah, just lightly contour my cheeks just like that. This right here is my very old MAC Raisin blush, one of my favorites. I'm going to add that to the cheek. I'm going into my Jaclyn Cosmetics highlight palette. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Made You Look. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. I didn't think I was going to like this highlight palette so much, but it is really nice. I'm going to take a little bit of Made You Look and Glow Up. I'm going to mix these two. And I'm going to add that to my cheeks. And I also did a review on this whole collection. I will link that down below. I'm going to add a little bit of Made You Look and add that to my inner corner. I'm going to add a pop of red. I have Ruby Woo and I have Russian Red. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. For lip liner, I'm going to be using my NYX matte lip liner in the shade Subversive Socialite. I'm going to take Ruby Woo. I'm going to put Russian Red on top. Okay, so I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. It is very simple but very glam. I really love this look. It is very simple but classic and glam. And yeah, for this holiday look, I wanted it to be a little bit more simple, not a lot of colors except for the bold red lip. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.